Imagine a motorhome that brings together the timeless elegance of Rolls-Royce and the freedom of luxury travel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is a breathtaking concept designed to show what the future of ultra-premium road adventures could look like. While this vehicle is not an official Rolls-Royce production model, it presents an exciting vision of combining world-class craftsmanship, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort into one extraordinary home on wheels. From the moment you see it, the exterior leaves a lasting impression. Inspired by the iconic Rolls-Royce design language, the front features a bold illuminated grille, sleek LED headlights, and a perfectly sculpted body with elegant chrome accents. Every line is designed to express sophistication, while the aerodynamic shape improves efficiency and creates a smooth, confident presence on the road. Step inside, and the luxury reaches an entirely new level. The spacious living area is finished with handcrafted leather seats, genuine wood trim, polished metal details, and soft ambient lighting that creates a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, giving passengers incredible views wherever the journey leads. Every surface feels premium, and every detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship. The lounge area is designed for complete relaxation. Plush reclining seats surround a smart entertainment system featuring a massive 4K display, premium surround sound speakers, and high-speed satellite internet. Whether you're watching movies, attending virtual meetings, or simply enjoying your favorite music, the experience feels just like a luxury penthouse on wheels. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find everything needed for comfortable long-distance travel. A full-size smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, coffee machine, wine cooler, and elegant storage cabinets make cooking both practical and enjoyable. High-quality countertops and soft close cabinetry add to the premium experience, making every meal feel special. The master bedroom offers the comfort of a 5-star hotel suite. A king-size bed with premium memory foam bedding, adjustable ambient lighting, and panoramic windows creates the perfect place to relax after a long day of travel. Hidden storage compartments maximize space without sacrificing style, while the quiet cabin insulation ensures peaceful nights wherever you park. The luxurious bathroom continues the premium experience with marble-inspired finishes, a spacious rainfall shower, modern fixtures, heated floors, and a stylish vanity with illuminated mirrors. Every feature is carefully designed to provide maximum comfort while maintaining the elegance expected from a vehicle inspired by the Rolls-Royce name. Technology is one of the highlights of this futuristic concept. A fully integrated smart home system allows passengers to control lighting, air conditioning, entertainment, security, and window shades using voice commands or a central touchscreen. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, smart climate control, and AI-powered travel assistance make every journey more convenient than ever before. Although this motorhome is only a concept, it imagines an advanced hybrid or fully electric powertrain capable of delivering smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet driving, and excellent efficiency. Adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts to changing road conditions, providing an incredibly comfortable ride even on long-distance trips. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system help make driving safer and easier. The exterior also includes impressive luxury features. An expandable slide-out section creates even more living space when parked, while a power-operated awning transforms the outdoor area into a private lounge. Rooftop solar panels help recharge the battery system, allowing greater energy independence during extended adventures. Exterior lighting, premium storage compartments, and hidden utility systems maintain the vehicle's elegant appearance from every angle. This concept is designed for travelers who refuse to compromise. Whether exploring beautiful mountains, relaxing by the ocean, or driving across entire countries, every journey becomes an unforgettable luxury experience. Instead of simply traveling to a destination, the destination travels with you. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome represents a bold vision of what future luxury travel could become. It combines timeless design, cutting-edge innovation, premium comfort, and advanced engineering into one remarkable concept. While Rolls-Royce has not officially announced or released a production motorhome, this imaginative design demonstrates how extraordinary life on the road could be when inspired by one of the world's most prestigious luxury brands. If you enjoyed this luxury motorhome concept, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury vehicles and futuristic motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.